Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to teach you how you can change the line height of texts and text boxes in your Figma design. So let us get started, and let me head over to that example design here with that text box. So guys, what you will need to do is double click into the given text to highlight it. So let me highlight, for example, that entire part here, change line height for demonstration purposes. That is going to open up that customization panel here to the right. So here under typography, guys, you will see a feature called line height. So while having your text selected, click into it, for example, to add a custom line height in numbers or percent, or you may use that feature here, guys. If you, for example, left click into the left edge of that box here, you will see that double-headed arrow. So left click into it, hold your left mouse, and now simply move that arrow to the left or to the right to adjust your highlighted text line height, which is basically the line spacing, as you can see. So if I move it to the left, I'm decreasing the line height, and if I'm moving it to the right, I'm increasing the line height. So you may simply find your custom line height and adjust it. And yeah, that's basically it. So let me select a line height like this here with almost no space whatsoever between these lines. So that's how you change the line height on Figma. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.